Testing. You know, today I was just talking to a guy in the South Pacific on my two-way radio, and he assumed because we live in Canada that the weather would be frigid up here right now. And that's not the case. I mean, Canada's a very large country. I mean, there are probably places in Canada right now with snow, I'm sure. And we're just past the first week of October. But in this part of Canada, out here on the Gulf Islands, yeah, we can get snow, but it never lasts long. And there's winters here where we don't have snow. But the weather, temperatures don't get extreme. They're not bitterly cold. And if they were, we wouldn't be able to grow this stuff, right? We would not be able to grow this. The proof is in the pudding, okay? So in this part of Canada, the winters are tame. Very, very tame. The tamest in the land. So it could be blizzarding back east somewhere or in the prairies. And in this part of Canada, on the Gulf Islands off the west coast of British Columbia, we're looking at greenery, just like this. So not all places in Canada are the same. You know what I mean? We got the offshore Japan current, North Pacific current, and you know, the ocean just regulates the air temperatures here. So there's never any extremes, and like I say, if or when we do get snow, it's gone quick. It usually just turns to rain. So our winters are wet and not white, all right? That's the way it is here on the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. We have palmy, and for Canada, I will say balmy. If you're in Australia or Hawaii, they're definitely not balmy. You're going to be freezing your heinies off. But for this part of the world, it's quite different, this area of Canada, than the rest of Canada. You know, and these are going to be blooming soon. These are fatsia trees. You can see they're just coming. The hummingbirds stay here year-round. We have anise hummingbirds here year-round that absolutely love the flowers. So I think we're going to have a good flower set on these. Lots of flowers, buds coming on them. So anyway, that's what things look like here in this part of Canada on the Gulf Islands. All right? It's not a white place in the wintertime. Can be a very wet place in the wintertime. All right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos here from Banana J SSI, which is SSI means Salt Spring Island, on the Gulf Islands in the North Pacific. Cheers.